just finished this 2017 plate Volkswagen Polo R line for one of our regular customers. In this vehicle we've added the hertz cento CK165 speakers in the front doors with plenty of sound deadening. In the back we've got the Audison APBX8R 8-inch reflex subwoofer, and powering the whole system we have put in the Audison AP 8.9 bit. So in the front nothing's completely changed, the system looks completely standard like it would on a normal car. Inside the door down here we've got custom colours in there. Well, I've got the hertz cento speakers in there, and up on the dash in the A-pillars we're running the hertz cento speakers. Underneath the passenger seat you might just be able to see it a little bit because I'll just put the seat all the way back. We've got just underneath there is the Audison AP 8.9 bit processor. This is controlling the whole system and remastering the sound on the car. It now sounds absolutely wicked. If you're interested in having your Volkswagen Polo done, just get in touch with us via the website through the contact us form at the bottom. Simply fill it in, send a message across, we'll try and get back to you within a day.